Today's video is a what I eat in a day. Now in this video, we also show you the step-by-steps how to make these different recipes. And it is Christmas time, the holiday season, and we have a book out called The Clear Skin Diet. And if you're interested in learning more recipes, you should definitely check out our book. We'll leave it linked in the description. We used to have very severe cystic acne and we're able to cure it through a certain diet. Our book is great if you want to learn to clear your acne, but even if you want to, feel your best, get healthy, it's good for anyone, so definitely check it out. And maybe it could even be your New Year's resolution, who knows? Or you could give it to someone as a holiday gift. So if you want to check it out, we'll leave it linked down below. Thumbs up this video if you like what I eat in a day, and let's get into the video.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore.
Alright guys, it is time to make some recipes. So we gotta make some lunch and we're gonna be making some chili. All the recipes we're making are super easy and healthy, good for your skin. If you want more recipes, check out our book, The Clear Skin Diet, linked in the description. How to make some healthy Clear Skin Diet approved cinnamon rolls. Our favorite Christmas memories, one of them was eating vegan cinnamon rolls. Yeah, I love the smell of cinnamon rolls baking in the oven on Christmas morning. There's nothing better than that. So actually, this is our first time making this recipe, so we'll see how it turns out. First things first, we need to make some date paste. I just got these dates from Whole Foods. Medjool dates. These are medjool dates. So good, they're like dessert. And all you have to do is just blend all the dates with some water. And you gotta make sure you get the pits out of it. This is gonna be part of the filling. Because we don't wanna break a tooth by eating that. Yeah, you gotta take the pits out. We got 10 pitted medjool dates there. Now we're gonna add 3/4 cups of water. 3/4 cup of water. Woo! Oh man, that looks good. Whoa. That's crazy good. Oh my god. Better than maple. Wow. We're gonna be using some of this date paste as part of the filling and also in the dough. So I'm gonna take a 1/2 cup of it, around 1/2 cup, and put it in here. I'm adding 1/4 cup of brown sugar to the filling mix. I'm adding in a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're gonna be using a cup of our oat flour. We're adding a 1/2 cup of tapioca flour. So I'm adding in a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Just using the rest of it? Yeah. We've got the remainder of our date paste that we're not using for the filling. We're gonna add it to our dry ingredients. We got 1/2 cup of sweet potato puree. And then we're adding in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Ready when you are, Captain. If this was a boat, who would be the captain? Me. So I'm co-captain. So this is what our dough looks like right now. It looks like real bread dough. Would you look at that? We got some parchment paper. So I added a little bit of more flour so that the dough doesn't stick. And you're kind of patting it out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's like pizza. So we got our filling right here that we made earlier. Guys, keep in mind, this is literally my first time ever making cinnamon rolls, so no judging in the comments. I think this is gonna be the hardest part. And to be honest, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we need to figure out a way to roll these. Okay, it looks like you're doing it. Oh. Uh-oh, it's sticking.
You need some flour.
Flour at the bottom. Oh no.
See, this dough is not right.
Oh God.
Oh my God. This is not right.
Something's not right. No.
Everyone's gonna really love this recipe. This is our best yet.
We're gonna improvise. And maybe this is gonna be like a cinnamon roll bread.
Hey, monsieur. So, you want a cinnamon roll?
If someone in the comments wants to let me know what went wrong, please do so right now. So I'm gonna try and put it in this non-sticking baking thing.
This could be a diaper.
This was a fail.
Oh my God, people are not gonna be able to unsee it now that I've said that. So it does smell really good. So I think
It's
we're
like a
on to
cinnamon
something.
roll bread.
All right, so let's bake this bread and see what happens.
Now we're gonna bake this for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, guys, I just took out my cinnamon roll bread fail, and we're gonna see if it's ready. It actually smells really good though. It smells like a cinnamon roll. All right, we're in business, it's done. Baking traditional cinnamon rolls, it said to bake it for 15 minutes, but I ended up baking up this bread for half an hour because I think it takes a little bit longer to cook through, just so you know. We're gonna give Maymay a tiny little sliver to try, see if she likes it. So Maymay, I got you a very small piece.
Thank you.
Since we're gonna have dinner soon.
Now, what is this?
It's a cinnamon roll bread. So I was trying to make cinnamon rolls, but I failed, so I just made it into a bread.
Yeah, well, that's nice. It's warm.
Yeah. Too hot?
Mmm. Mmm.
Is it good?
It's perfect.
Yay!
Yay! Thanks, Maymay.
More.
This is our new living room. Look, there's a new couch,
Watch
this little trundle thing or
Look at that.
treasure chest. Look at how
Look how cool that is.
beautiful. And we got our tree.
So nice.
And it's actually new floor as well. So and new colors. This is the best room ever.
Okay, and who's who? I can tell which one's me.
I know
I'm this one.
I'm the one, that's me. I'm the one
Nina
with the
is
dimple.
this one, that one's Randa.
This is Nina.
Is it?
That's for sure Nina. Okay, look at this.
I don't know who.
Oh God. It's not cute.
I think
I think that
that's
one's Randa.
you. Yeah.
That one's Nina. We're gonna make a sweet potato crust recipe. This recipe is actually from our book, but we'll show you guys how to make it before, but now we're gonna make mini pizzas. And we're gonna make our own separate pizzas.
We got some sweet potatoes that we've steamed up in our Instant Pot for 30 minutes, and we're gonna skin them, right? Take off the skin.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take the skin off of these sweet potatoes. Here we have 6 cups of mashed sweet potatoes. Now we're gonna add 2 cups of oat flour. Mix it up. The next step is to add a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Now we're gonna spice it up with the spices. I'm only gonna add in onion and tandoori masala.
Hashtag date night.
My onion for the bread. And then tandoori masala. This is actually like a curryish spice, but I feel like it's gonna give it a nice, interesting taste because hey, it's sweet potato crust, okay? I'm lining the pizza plate we use in the oven with some oat flour. So I'm gonna use like half of it for myself and then half of it for you. Oh wow, it's really warm. Okay. So we had flour on my hand and I'm just like patting it. So keep in mind that it's really not gonna rise that much, so we're making it a little bit thick because honey, we like it thick. Okay. All right, so these are what our pizzas look like. This is Nina's and this is Randa's. So you're gonna put on some oil-free sauce, right? Next up, pasta sauce. You gotta add the nutritional yeast. You want nutritional yeast on yours? I'll do that last. I'm gonna do it underneath. So I got some mushrooms that I'm gonna add to mine. And I'm also gonna add on some chopped broccoli. Roasted broccoli on pizza is so freaking delicious. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of nutritional yeast onto mine. This is before they're cooked. Wow, they're looking pretty good. Basil.
Basil.
Basil. Put it on. And the next step is a bunch of olive oil. I'm kidding. We have put our oven to 400 degrees. We're gonna bake these masterpieces for, how long right now?
25 minutes.
25 minutes. Oh, it smells like an Italian restaurant. So that concludes our What I Eat
date in a day. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let us know in the comments what you'd like us to create next as a recipe. Also, you guys have been asking me about breakups, about how to deal with a tough time, and I'm not gonna dive into my personal life because I feel like that's between me and the person, and it's not something, I'm there the whole time. It's not something I would share on the internet, so I'm definitely not gonna go into detail. But if you're going through a tough time, I would say that my best advice to you is to surround yourself with family and friends and just keep yourself busy. And honestly, the main thing is focusing on yourself and also being with people, being with your friends and family, because it's gonna get better. I mean, day by day, good to go.
Don't we love that saying? Everyone's like, just focus on yourself.
No, I think focus on being with people, actually.
Yeah, focus on yourself, you mean focus on having fun.
Of course you're gonna feel, you know, whatever you're gonna feel, and that's okay, but also you're gonna grow from it, and it's gonna take you somewhere new, and you know, it's all learning perspectives, and it's all good here. Hope that helped you guys.
Randa can handle breakups much more gracefully than I can. And we will see you next video. Bye!